Morning everyone, I am Aisha. My topic is epidemiology of communicable disease. I will be speaking about the protozoan origin disease, that is malaria. Malaria is a disease caused by a plasmodium parasite transmitted by the bite of infected mosquito. These are the causative agents: Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malariae, etc. These are the parasitic protozoan that causes malaria in humans. These are transmitted to people through the bites of infected female Anopheles mosquito. Symptoms: fatigue, rapid breathing, rapid heart rate, cough, fever, chills, general feeling of discomfort, headache, nausea and vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, muscle or joint pain. These are symptoms. For most people, symptoms begin 10 days to 4 weeks after infection. Now let us see the life cycle of malaria. Malaria infection begins when an infected female Anopheles mosquito bites a person, injecting Plasmodium parasites in the form of sporozoites into the bloodstream. These pass quickly into the human liver. Sporozoites multiply asexually in the liver cells over the next 7 to 10 days, causing no symptoms. In an animal body, the parasites in the form of merozoites are released from the liver cells and arrive in lungs, where they settle within the lung capillaries. In the bloodstream, the merozoites invade RBC and multiply. They invade more and more RBC. Some of the infected blood cells leave the cycle of asexual multiplication. Instead of replicating, the merozoites in these cells develop in sexual forms of the parasite called gametocytes. When a mosquito bites an infected human, it ingests the gametocytes, which further develop into mature sex cells called gametes. The cycle of human infection begins again when the mosquito bites another person. Mode of transmission. I have already told about the mode of transmission. It is caused by the bite of infected female Anopheles mosquito. Now let us see the incubation period. First of all, what is incubation period? The period between exposure to an infection and the appearance of the first symptom is called as incubation period. For most cases, it is 7 to 30 days, and incubation period is short when infected with the Plasmodium falciparum and longer with the Plasmodium malariae. Diagnosis can be done by blood smear, clinical diagnosis, blood test. Blood smear. Examining of the blood smear is to determine the malaria species and the parasitemia, or the percentage of the patient's red blood cells that are infected with malaria parasites. Treatment. These are some medications that can be used for the treatment of malaria. Preventive measures. One should apply mosquito repellent. It offers the best protection against mosquito bites. Drape mosquito netting over bed. Wear clothes with full sleeves and long pants. Putting screens on the windows and doors can also help. Now let us see the role of health worker. They detect the cases of malaria from all over the places. They maintain the data of number of cases. Also, they assist in insecticidal spraying, which is used to control various pests and disease carriers such as mosquito, ticks, rats, and mice. Thank you.